best diet is the healthiest, freshly picked, grown, live foods with the most energy in them that are indigenous to the place that you live. People adapt to their environment in which they live. And the only problem that I see from talking to raw vegans or vegans out there, and the ones that are becoming sick, are the ones that are including a lot of cooked breads and carbohydrates and sugars and incorporating that into their diet. As far as the protein and the B12 scenario, we're seeing B12 deficiency across the board, whether in vegans or meat eaters. There's been studies out there that have shown just because you're a vegan, medical science says that you're going to be deficient in B12. Well, just as many people that eat meat are deficient in B12, and that's because the B12 is not being broken down properly by intrinsic factor in your gut and being broken down into the two cofactors, which are methylcobalamin and adenosylcobalamin. So for a perfect vegan diet, hopefully you have those good probiotics in your bowel. Hopefully you shouldn't be deficient in B12. As far as the protein goes for raw vegans, there's a lot of full spectrum proteins in a lot of vegan foods. Peas, legumes, nuts, seeds, raw nuts and seeds. I've never had a problem with protein. My kids have been vegetarian for years. They've never had a protein deficiency. I think there's a lot of misinformation out there about being deficient in protein and how much protein we actually need in our bodies. If you are interested in a B12, we've actually put one together. It's called Vegan Safe B12, and it actually contains the two cofactors of B12 to help you with that absorption process.